In a tranquil village nestled amidst rolling hills, there lived a wise Zen master named Master Koji. He was known throughout the land for his profound wisdom and the air of respect and confidence that surrounded him. Many people sought his guidance, hoping to uncover the secret of his magnetic presence. One day, a young villager named May approached Master Koji. She was filled with doubt and lacked self-confidence. She said, "Master, I admire the respect and confidence that radiates from you. How can I gain such qualities in myself?" Master Koji smiled and gestured for May to sit. He began to share a story. "Long ago, when I was just a novice, I too sought to understand the path to respect and confidence. I went to my own master and asked the same question you posed today." He continued, "My master, a venerable old man, invited me to walk with him to a nearby river. As we reached the riverbank, he pointed to the water and said, 'Watch the river, Koji. What do you see?' I observed the river's flowing currents," Master Koji recalled, and I replied, "I see the water flowing ceaselessly." "Good," said his master. "That is the first lesson. Like the river's flow, respect and confidence come from a steady, unwavering presence. Be true to yourself, and let your actions flow naturally and consistently." Master Koji then continued his story. "The second lesson came when my master handed me a small pebble and said, 'Hold this pebble in your hand and squeeze it tightly.' I obeyed, gripping the pebble firmly. After a few moments, my master asked, 'What do you feel?' I told him that my hand was beginning to ache," said Master Koji. My master nodded and said, "The second lesson, just as gripping the pebble too tightly causes pain, holding on to grudges, anger, and negative thoughts can harm your spirit. Learn to let go." May listened attentively, eager to learn more. Master Koji continued, "The third lesson came when my master pointed to a tree, its branches swaying in the breeze. 'Look at the tree, Koji. What do you see?' he asked. I replied, 'I see the tree bending with the wind.' 'Exactly,' said my master. 'Respect and confidence, like the tree, require flexibility. In the face of challenges, adapt and bend without breaking. Rigidity leads to stagnation.'" Master Koji paused briefly, then shared the fourth lesson. "One evening, my master handed me a mirror and said, 'Look into this mirror, Koji. What do you see?' I gazed at my reflection," he recounted, and answered, 'I see myself.' 'Correct,' said his master. "The fourth lesson. Respect and confidence begin with self-awareness. Understand yourself, your strengths and your weaknesses. Embrace your true nature and others will respect and trust you." Finally, Master Koji concluded his story with the fifth and last lesson. "One day my master and I climbed a mountain, and he asked me to stand at the edge of a cliff. 'Look down, Koji. What do you see?' I looked down at the vast expanse below," he said, and replied, "I see the world stretching out before me." "Exactly," his master affirmed. "The fifth lesson, gain a broader perspective. Understand that your life is a part of a larger world. Respect and confidence come from recognizing your place in the grand scheme of things." May was deeply moved by Master Koji's story and the wisdom within it. She thanked him for the valuable lessons and left with a newfound determination to cultivate respect and confidence in herself, following the guidance of the wise Zen master. And so, the teachings of Master Koji continued to inspire and guide those who sought the path to respect and confidence. Just as the river flowed, the tree swayed, and the mirror reflected the truth within.